Hi guys! Right now we are going to take the dirt out of the garage area. We are going to use the excavator to scoop dirt out of the garage area and put it in a pile behind the excavator. After the excavator can't reach any more dirt, we will take the bobcat and move this big pile of dirt away. We are putting the dirt in the front of the yard because we're not using that space right now, and we can put the dirt there. If we didn't move the dirt, then we would run out of space where to put it with the excavator, so that's why we use the bobcat to move the dirt. We use the excavator to make that pile outside of the garage area because right now the bobcat can't drive into the garage because we are digging a little bit lower than like where our ICF blocks are, and if we tried to drive in using the bobcat, we might pop a tire or something. After my dad can't reach any more dirt, he uses the excavator. He drives forward a little bit and scoops the dirt closer to him so that once all of the dirt is closer to him, he can keep taking it out of the garage area. He scoops the dirt closer to him because if he didn't, he wouldn't be able to reach it. And if he just drove forward, then he wouldn't be able to reach the pile that is outside the garage area. So we've taken almost all of the dirt out. We're just taking the pile away with the bobcat, and that's almost all of the dirt out of the garage area. Here is all of the dirt we took out, and the garage area has no more, or the dirt at the level we need it, and we got a giant pile of rocks. We were shoveling it into the garage area, and my dad got tired, so now I'm shoveling the rocks. Then I got tired, so Dennis came to help. Then we all shoveled the pile into the garage area. The pile was really big. And here comes the bobcat. And the bobcat's going to take the pile into the garage area, so we don't have to shovel the pile anymore. Now that the pile is smaller, we've put some rocks so that the Bobcat can drive into the garage area, and it's faster to get the rocks into the garage. My mom is shoveling some rocks in the pathway because there's rebar and we don't want the Bobcat to pop a tire while it's driving into the garage area. So my mom is covering the rebar with some rocks. So we finished putting most of the rocks into the garage area. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!